You might like this sweet flatbread. You only need flour, sugar, milk, and ghee or butter. Stir in milk and sugar while heating up the milk, just a little bit. As soon as the sugar is dissolved, you can turn off the heat. Let the milk cool down a bit and stir in milk and flour. Add some ghee and knead until all is combined. Form 5 dough balls and roll each out with a thickness of half a centimeter. Use some flour to prevent it from sticking. Please consider liking and subscribing. This flatbread is called Roth. No rising time, just put it in the oven for 15 minutes and you're done. You could add some spices to your liking. But to be honest, I never do that because I like it just the way as it is, plain and simple. Thanks for watching.